Very good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to learn about what is an off adder and full adder. So, both these adder circuits, it is a combination circuit which is to perform the addition of the given data in binary form. So, let us see what is an off adder. So, the off adder, it is a combinational circuit that performs addition of two bits. We'll name it as an off adder. So off adder operation needs two binary inputs. One input will name it as AND and the other one is AND, and it provides two binary outputs, sum and carry. So we have shown the block diagram of an off adder where we'll be having a block which is named as an off adder and the inputs are A and B. That is, the A is taken as AND and B is taken as AND. So you have to add A and B. So if we are going to perform this addition A and B, so we'll be getting a result which is named as sum and carry. So on the right side, we have given the truth table. So we'll take the inputs A and B. So the various combinations of A and B are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So let us add A and B and we'll find out what is sum and carry. So the first combination 0 plus 0 will be getting sum as 0, carry also will be 0. So second combination 0 plus 1, which is sum is equal to 1, carry will be 0. And third combination 1 and 0, sum is 1 and carry will be 0. And the last combination, when both inputs A and B are 1 1, sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. So this is the truth table of the off adder. And you can observe here the expression for the sum. You can write it as S is equal to A bar B plus AB bar, and also it is equal to, it is nothing but an exclusive OR gate. So S can be written as A exclusive OR B. And for the carry, you can write the expression as carry out as A into B, and this can be implemented using the basic gates as well as the other gates also. So here I have shown the circuit diagram using the logical gates and as well as the basic gates. Using the logic gates, as we know, we have two inputs A and B, and the expression for the sum is A exclusive OR B. So I have made use of exclusive OR gate with inputs A and B, and the output is the sum S. And for the carry, we are getting the expression as C out is equal to A into B. So in order to implement that, I have used the AND gate. So taken the inputs A and B as input, and it is given to the AND gate, and you will be getting an output as carry or C out, which is equal to A into B. And using the basic gates also, we can implement the same off adder circuit. So for that, I have used the expression that is S is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Whereas for the carry, it is A into B. So for implementing using logic gates for the sum, I need to have a NOT gate and OR gate and two AND gates. So using basic gates, first I have taken complement of A and B. Using the NOT gate, will be getting us A bar B bar. Then it is given to the two AND gates. So the AND gate, one input is A bar, the another input is from B. So the output will be A bar B. And for the second AND gate, one input is A, the another input is B bar. So the output is A B bar. And these two has to be added using the OR gate. So that you will be getting the sum as S is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. And for the carry, it is A into B. So you can make use of the basic gate AND gate with inputs A and B. So the output is AB, that is C out is equal to A into B. Again the same off adder you can implement using the NAND gate also. In the last class video we have seen about any gate can be implemented using the universal gates NAND and NOR. So using that concept I am getting the expression for sum as as already we have seen, the expression for sum is A exclusive or B. And this I have ANDed with carry. So I am getting it as AB, the double bar, which is nothing but for the carry it is AB. That is, I can implement the same logical circuit what we have seen in the last video, that is implementation of XOR gate using NAND universal gate. So we have used the same circuit and we have drawn in pink color, and for the carry it is AB, and this AB can be written as AB double bar. That is AB double bar can be done with the help of the NAND gate by giving the same input for both the input variable points. So the output will be AB. The next it is the full adder. So what is the difference between, the basic difference between the off adder and the full adder is, off adder can be performed only for two variables, that is addition of two inputs can be done using the off adder, whereas for the full adder if there is a three inputs we can add it with the help of the full adder. So it is given as the combinational circuit that performs addition of 3 bits is called full adder. So the full adder has 3 binary inputs, again added and carry from the previous operation, and the output will be sum and carry. So the block diagram we have clearly mentioned there will be 3 inputs. The 3 inputs are A, B and C in, and the output is C out, that is carry, and the another output is sum. So in the right hand side I have shown the truth table for the full adder. So we'll write all the combinations of A, B and C, and we'll find out what is the sum and carry out. So the first combination, it is 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is also 0. Second combination, it is 0 plus 0 plus 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. Similarly, we'll be adding all the 3 bits to get the sum and carry. So the expression for S from the truth table we can write as S is equal to A bar B bar C in plus A bar B C bar C in bar plus A B bar C in bar plus A B C in, and you can simplify it, and finally the simplified expression for the sum is A exclusive or B exclusive or C in. And similarly for the C out, we'll write the expression for C out and we'll simplify using the Boolean laws, and finally I am getting the equation for C out as AB plus BCA plus ACA. And this can be implemented with the help of logical diagram as well as the basic gates, as we have done for the off adder. In the same way I can implement using the logical diagram or using the basic gates also. So using logical diagram, the inputs are A, B and C in. So as we have seen, the equation for sum is A exclusive or B, then exclusive or C. So first let us implement using A and B. Given to one exclusive OR gate, we will be getting A exclusive or B. Then this input along with another input C in, which is given to the next exclusive OR gate to obtain the output for sum as A exclusive or B exclusive or C. And for the carry, we are seeing the expression as it is equal to AB plus BC in plus AC in. So this can be implemented using the 3 AND gates and then OR gate, 3 input OR gate. Using the basic gates, so let us implement with the help of the basic gates, that is NOT gate and OR gate. So first let us find what is A bar, B bar and C bar using the NOT gate. Then based on the equations for the sum, we have made use of the 3 input AND gates, and finally 4 input OR gate is implemented to get the final equation for the sum. And for the carry, it is the same as we have done for the logical diagram. We have made use of 3 AND gates, 2 input AND gates and finally 3 input OR gate to obtain the carry C out. The same full adder circuit can be realized using 2 off adders. That is, we can implement the full adder using 2 off adders. So we'll be having an off adder first where there will be only 2 inputs A and B, and the output is sum and carry. This along with another input Cin, which is given as an input for the second half adder, to obtain the final output as sum S is equal to A exclusive or B exclusive or C, and for the carry it is C out. And carry can be implemented by adding AB again multiplied with Cin using the OR gate. We are getting the diagram for C out. And basically the expressions are, for the sum it is A exclusive or B exclusive or C, and for the C out already we have the expression we have seen in the previous we have the expression for C in. So using this first equation for C in, we'll just simplify, and if you simplify, I am getting the C out carry out as A exclusive or B into C in plus A into B. So this is implemented using exclusive OR gate and AND gate, and finally an OR gate.